Narito ang dapat pakaabangan ngayong linggo sa ASAP Live.
Like a Hellcat.
No one can stop the good vibes ngayong linggo sa ASAP Live. The best celebration is here. Makiparty na with best of the best kapamilya and be prepared sa pre-concert treat. Simple pero mapaparak ang lahat at full energy sa bawat performance. Basta usapang concert, pasok sa standard yan. Kaya naman ihanda ang self sa pangmalakasang party vibe this Sunday. Kaya naman get ready for a pre-concert. Dito lang yan sa ASAP Live. Stay seated and let the show begin. Halina't ibandera natin ang galing ng ating mga kapamilya performers sa ASAP stage. Witness world-class talents this Sunday. Kaya naman, kita-kits dito lang yan sa ASAP Live.
For more videos, just don't forget to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe! For more videos, just don't forget to like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe!